Somebody took a shit on the stoop.
I thought you used to clean the shit on the stoop. Why didn't you clean it?
I did used to clean the shit on the stoop, but now we're paying so much rent. I just don't feel as good about cleaning the shit on the stoop.
Hey guys, I just got home and there was shit on the